Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. Today is a super quick video and a fun one. We are going to be pulling the names of the winners of our giveaway that we hosted on Wednesday, April 2nd. So for those of you who do not know already, we had our 1-year store anniversary for our shop here in Dunnellon, Florida. So we are excited and very grateful to all of our customers for supporting us over the last year here in our Dunnellon store, in addition to all of our online customers since 2021. So we did a little giveaway and it's going to be a drawing. So I've got all of the little raffle tickets here for everybody who shopped here in store on Wednesday, April 2nd that mentioned the giveaway. And the prizes are going to be a $50 gift card to Sew Yours, redeemable in store or online. The second prize is going to be a $75 mystery bundle. We're going to make that up for either a quilter or a bag maker. So those who came into the store, let us know if they're a quilter or a bag maker. So we will be making that up specially for them. And the third prize is going to be any of the Sew Yours patterns released from now and until the rest of your life or my life, or until I stop making sewing patterns. So you're going to get those patterns for free. These are going to be bag making specific patterns. So I'm very excited for this giveaway. I'm going to start off with drawing the ticket and just telling you the number on the ticket. So make sure you grab your raffle tickets so you can check to see if you're a winner. And then here at the very end, I'll just tell you the name that is associated with that ticket. But I thought it'd be a little bit more fun for you to check your tickets first. So first up, we are going to pull the name for the $50 Sew Yours gift card. So good luck to everyone. And also, I did add the names to the people that got their bonus entries. So if you came into the store and took a selfie and posted it online with one of your favorite products, you do have an additional ticket here in the giveaway. So good luck, and let's see who our $50 gift card winner is. All right, the first one is going to be ticket number 84036-004. So congratulations to that winner. I'll tell you who it is in just a moment. So I'm going to put that down right here. And we are going to go pull the $75 mystery bundle winner. So let's mix this up right here and see who the winner is. All right, I got a ticket. And this is going to be 84036-029. All right, congratulations to that winner. And the third winner, this is going to be for the Patterns for Life. Let's see who we have here. And that one is going to be 84036-021. So congratulations to the winner of the Patterns for Life. Okay, so now it's time to announce the winners. So that first ticket for the $50 gift card is going to go to Marianne Walsh. So congratulations, Marianne. Ticket number 2 for the $75 mystery bundle is going to go to Sonia Bell Robb. Congratulations, Sonia. And the third winner for the Patterns for Life is going to go to Dorty Turk. And I'm going to spell that out, make sure that I might have said her name wrong. D-O-R-T-Y, last name T-U-R-E-K, Turek. Apologize for that. So congratulations to all of the winners. I will be contacting you within the next 24 to 48 hours if you have not commented on this video. But if you did see this video, please leave a comment to let me know that you did see it. And we'll be reaching out to you so that way you can get your prize winnings. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye-bye.